If you have a business that's generating consistent income and you don't have established credit for that business, then you may find it hard when you need extra cash for your business. If you need a loan for your business, you will either need to have a good credit or you will need to use your own personal credit and take out a personal loan, which may not be the best thing to do. So while you're working on building your business and building your business credit, you may still need a loan. PayPal offers a business loan, and this loan applies to you even if you're an LLC and you have a home office and you're just one person. Now, if you're making consistent income or the business is consistently making money, then you can get a PayPal business loan that requires no credit check. And by the way, I mean revenue, not profits. So as long as you have consistent revenue. So if you are interested in business loans, whether you are a business or you just work from home or your home office, stick around to the very end of this video as I'll be talking about this no credit check loan from PayPal. Now, of course, to get this loan from PayPal, you need to have a PayPal business account. So if you don't have one, you can create one, but you have to be doing business with PayPal to be able to get this loan. Now, before I get into the details here, just a very quick reminder, if you're new to the channel, my name is Ian and I post personal finance related videos here on YouTube every day. So if you like this kind of content, then give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. And also consider subscribing to the channel and turning on all notifications for this channel, as this way you'll be able to get the updates of when I post new videos here. And remember, I'll be posting a new video here every single day on YouTube. Now, I want you guys to comment down below and let me know this. How have you previously received funding for your business? Did you use your personal credit to borrow money, say a credit card or personal loans, or have you established business credit and then used your business to get business loans? Comment down below and let me know. So first of all, if you're wondering how much money PayPal will offer you here without a credit check for your business, then it depends on how much money or revenue you have. But there are people who frequently get approved for loans ranging from $10,000 all the way up to $150,000. And the best thing about these loans or this loan is that if you apply and get approved for it, you don't have to wait very long for the money. Once you're approved, the money will be in your PayPal account within just a few seconds or maybe a minute or two. Now, you can go about getting this loan two ways. You can either wait until PayPal offers you a loan, which they will once you have consistent revenue, or you can apply for it yourself. Now, if you're wondering how they offer business loans without a credit check, here's what they do. Instead of running your credit, they'll review your sales history. So this is why it's important to have and use a PayPal account, because if you use PayPal to process payments, then they'll already have all this information. Now, remember I said you needed to have a PayPal business account and use one for your business to be able to get this loan earlier on in this video, and this is true, but you may not want a loan or the funds in your PayPal account because maybe you need a loan for the business, but you don't want to spend that money or you want to spend it elsewhere where PayPal is not accepted. So there are two ways of getting around this. Yesterday, I made a video about the PayPal Cashback Business Debit Card, and this debit card would come in handy here because now that you have the PayPal Working Capital or PayPal No Credit Check Business Loan, you can use the debit card to either get cash at an ATM or you can use it to make purchases just like any other MasterCard. So you still have immediate access to the funds in your PayPal account. Also, if you want the funds in, let's say, your business bank account, then you can do a transfer from your PayPal business account to your business bank account, and that way you can get the cash in the bank account. So if you're starting a business or you already have one, I think it's a really good idea to open a PayPal business account and at least offer that as an option to your customers, because this no credit check loan could come in very handy, especially if you're a new business and you need a couple $1,000s to work on the business, and otherwise you wouldn't be able to get a loan for your business without having any credit or established business credit. Now remember, PayPal doesn't only offer online payment processing. If you are in the business of selling a course, ebook, or tangible products online, then you can use PayPal or at least make it an option so some of your sales will be processed by PayPal. And even if you have a brick and mortar store or a business that isn't completely online, PayPal has credit card processing and even mobile credit card processing solutions. Also, another easy way is to send your customers invoices from your PayPal business account. This way they pay through PayPal. So if you're into lawn care and landscaping, or you're a contractor, or you have a store where people use debit and credit cards to pay, you can still offer PayPal as a payment option, and this will help in qualifying you for the PayPal working capital. And when I say PayPal working capital, by the way, that's the name that PayPal gives this loan, but everybody calls it the no credit check business loan from PayPal. Now, let's talk a little bit about the fees. PayPal doesn't actually charge you interest on this loan. Instead, they charge a fixed fee depending on how much the loan is. So this fee never changes, unlike the APR of a traditional loan or credit card, and your monthly payments will be a percentage of each sale you make. So instead of borrowing, let's say $10K and then having to pay $100 every single month for a minimum payment, PayPal is willing to instead only have you repay a certain percentage of each sale you make. Now, this is very good, or a very good feature, especially if you're new in business, because you don't have interest payments. So if you're ever late on the payments, the balance doesn't increase by interest compounding daily. And also, you should never be late on the payments, because the payments are a percentage of your sales. So in business, you may have months where you make a lot of sales, and then there are months when you don't have as much. So repaying a percentage of your sales allows you to not have to worry about making a minimum payment or being late with those payments. Now, to clarify, let's say you need to repay 10%, for argument's sake, of your sales towards this loan every month. You make $10,000 this month, so in this case, the monthly payment here would be 10% of 10K, which is $1,000. If you make $5,000 next month, then you won't be required to pay $1,000 again, because you're repaying 10% of your sales. So in this case, that month's payments towards this loan would only be $500. Now, if you compare this no credit check loan to other loan types, you'll see it has a clear advantage, or gives you an advantage. This is the loan when compared to traditional ways of getting credit. You have the traditional loan and you have the credit card, which are the other two main ways of getting a loan. And as you can see here, PayPal blows them away. So the main points here are this. You can get this loan if you have a business and you have a business PayPal account, where you use the PayPal account to accept payments. The more money you have going into that PayPal business account, the more you'll be able to qualify in a loan from them. Secondly, there is no credit check. Thirdly, you have access to the money instantly, and there is no APR. You have a fixed repayment fee, and your monthly payments aren't fixed either, but instead they are a percentage of your sales. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and drop me a comment down below and let me know if you understand this no credit check loan from PayPal now. Also, if you'd like to see more videos like this one, give this video a thumbs up, as that's the way these videos get recommended to more people here on YouTube and can potentially help someone out as well. And I'll really, really appreciate it. And also, don't forget to check out some of my other videos here on credit cards, banking apps, savings accounts, investments, ways to make money, and much more. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to turn on all notifications for this channel, as that's the only way you'll be able to get the updates of when I post new videos here. And I post a new video here on YouTube every single day. And remember, I'm leaving a couple links down below to free stuff and free cashback offers, so be sure to check all the links down below in the description for all kinds of free stuff. Once again, I hope this video was very helpful. All the best with your business, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.